on YouTube. So today we're headed to Sebastian's house because I was off today. Hey, might as well make a video, right? Hopefully we're gonna be able to like film or something, get something done. He got his new setup in his 240, so it's on E85, better motor and everything. So we're gonna do that, and then hopefully, I don't know, have some fun, get some footage, and then I think we might go to car meet or something. But we're gonna go there, check that out, and yeah. We made it to Sebastian's house. I'm buying this off of Quan because he doesn't know how to drive it, obviously. So I gotta teach him how to do that. But I think we're gonna go to this car meet. I don't know where it's at. It was kind of just, he just kind of let me know. Now we're just gonna do things because we've got nothing better else to do. But I'm gonna steal his vlog camera and vlogception with it. Oh, did you guys just see that? That was like vlogception. Look at this. Dang it, I eat these Blaze Doritos and they're like making my nose like crazy. But oh shoot. It's so hot in this garage. I don't know how it works in here. I'd invest in an AC unit or something. Honestly, I don't like you. Okay. Sorry. Nah. I swear you were in one of my videos before. I don't know. We linked up with Perry, and then it was like Perry, Stewart, and all them other people. I don't know. But do you have an Instagram or anything, bro?
Gold_Smoky.
Gold_Smoky. Do you do the devil's lettuce?
I do not.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Oh.
Where's it effed up? Oh yeah. Damn. Yeah, I see that.
You can see it, how it's flat?
Yeah.
People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end.
Is he gonna stop?
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah, dude.
Beat his ass.
Alright. Hey, bitch.
You know we ain't paying for these, right?
I mean, you already paid for them.
There's expensive, Johnny.
Yeah. So I guess, what are these? You said they're the giveaway wheels?
These are the front wheels, yeah.
So if you guys want to get some free wheels, go check out his channel and get some freaking free wheels.
All you gotta do is buy merch.
Buy some merch. You guys get yourself a pair of Hot Boy wheels.
No way.
Chill out, dude. That
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
was such a boner kill.
Oh my god, are you serious?
At least I got it on video. Hello, darkness.
I need that clip. That was
Yeah, that's crazy, dude. What's up, ladies? Got the little Cummins with the with the little 6-speed. Is that an Evo? So like we're at Lowe's because he doesn't want to post any videos of like the exhaust getting redone because he always has. So we're gonna do it on my channel because hey, we don't have any drifting people. What is it?
Got work for them blades.
Yeah, because I mean,
Well, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to have somebody else get that.
Ooh,
dang.
nah, it's because they don't want people just they just don't want people coming up and, you know what I'm saying?
Probably mismatch them like, oh, do I need these? Oh, do I need these?
Well, that and then like steal them. Like,
All my friends are dead.
Meals of Champions.
I broke 240 kids.
Is that literally just bread?
What, you think I was lying?
Chill. I thought it was a PB&J at least.
I mean, there's air in there, but sure.
Dude, an air sandwich? Gang.
Next video and all that, but we are giving away a set of wheels.
You messed it up, bro.
There they are.
These?
Told me. Yeah, someone earlier in the FedEx truck, it was so funny. We came out here, he pulled in my driveway, and turned around and drove up the road. I was like, yo, what the fuck? We're teasing you, that's all. That shit was funny.
Oh my god, it's so sexy. It's hotter than the Sahara Desert inside this freaking garage.
I don't know, dude. It's so hot in here. He's getting the the exhaust welded. He tucked it up.
I'm welding it, boy.
Or okay, sorry. He's getting it's his garage sideways or inside the garage. He's doing garage things in his garage. In my garage. He's welding this PZ up, as you can see. It's actually him doing the work. Like he's not like one of those other YouTubers where he just pays people to do the work, you know? Because like
That's why the quality isn't good.
that's why the quality isn't that good. But I mean, not everybody can have money like that, you know? So we're getting this done. We're gonna go grab some gas, and then I've never been in the car since he got the new motor, or I guess it's technically a new motor. The freshened up motor in the E85, so I wanna see how this thing pulls. Last time you were only on what, like 8 pounds?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is on 22 pounds and it's on E, so this thing should pull like a lot better. We're going to get some of this gas, E85.
E85 in the truck.
Yeah. You guys see how they care about my life? Like, yeah, just sit in the back with no seatbelts.
Yeah, shut the f up.
No, you shut your fucking mouth.
We drove a shitload, so we haven't cleaned up the truck since Florida.
Yeah, if you guys watch their channel, probably not, because who watches Garage Sideways?
No one in fucking Maryland.
Ooh, damn. That was pretty nice.
Them bitches get 30 miles a gallon.
Yeah.
Yo,
Twin turbo
that
V8.
is so badass.
3 hours later.
Do you like holding this thing?
Are you on race gas?
Are you on race gas? Is that a race car?
You know what the race car is? This fucking trunk has to be latched down.
Right.
What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Boom. Nylon cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we are too hot in the business.
So we made it to the meet. I gotta hide my camera and stuff just because, you know what I'm saying? You can't trust people nowadays. It's 2018, people just take your stuff. But we got a whole bunch of people here. Cause like, the squad's strong for the GS, you know? I need some of these low key. We're probably gonna like chill here for a little bit, grab some fucking food because I'm hungry as a bitch. Or are we gonna get us some fucking food?
Eat out there.
Yeah, just walk around with like a bowl, just like eating
Sit in front of me.
banchan. Ooh, which where are we going? Hunan or banchan?
I'd seriously keep chopsticks in my hair all the time. I can't
What
do
hair?
it 'cause I'm white, 'cause that would be.
Nah, you gotta put it in your ear.
Coat.
Chew it like a toothpick.
But- I would literally.
Let's go on banchan. I feel like banchan would be faster. You gotta wait for them to make stuff. And here it's like Panda Express. Oh, you like that? Okay, everybody's leaving, so we're probably just gonna grab some food, and then we'll just end the video here. But we got hella people being crazy. You just missed hella cars taking off.
Damn! I fucked up. My starter wire came off. I fucking didn't. I fucked up.
Nice, dude.
I didn't dump it high enough.
Hey, buddy. Psych.
They got me.
Caught you slipping at the light.
Shit, the camera.
Damn it.
I I was trying to do a standing burnout with him. Fail. Look at his marks.
We got a freaking food at the Wawas. Sebastian thinks he's just like an all-around. He pulled on the Turbo LS guys. You know what I'm saying? Like this guy, nah, his car does have a shitty ass tune. It's running rich as fuck. Yeah, this thing is. He took me for like a miniature pull. You guys probably saw in the video, but this thing is actually a lot better since the last time. It's on 22 pounds compared to the last time I was in. It was like 8 pounds. But hope you enjoyed this video. Go check out Garage Sideways. You probably already do, but comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my word's been my greatest weapon. I know